Hello, my nursery class students. How are you all? Fine. Superb. Children, welcome to Art and Craft session. So come on, my Vedic stars. Are you all excited? Very good. So children, today we are going to do a new activity. Are you all excited? Super. So come to book number 1, page number 8181. I repeat, book number 1, page number 8181. What we have to do on this page? So come on, first tell me, what is this? Yes, it is a fruit. But which fruit is this? Yes, this is an apple. An apple is of red color. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So children, let us read the instructions given on the top. Okay, let's start. Paper collage. Tear red colored crepe paper into pieces. Apply glue on the apple and paste the pieces on it. So here are some red colored crepe paper pieces. I have just torn the paper and made them into pieces, and this is some glue. So what we have to do, children, we have to apply some glue on the apple and paste the cutouts. Okay, simple? Are you all interested? Then let's start. Come on, here I take some glue and I apply it on the apple. Very nice. Slowly, slowly. Yes, good going. And then children, now I will take the paper and I will slowly stick it. I will paste it. Okay, understood? This is so much fun. Oh wow, I